Alright, YouTube, Cougar Fan Mess back here with box 4 of the 12 box sealed case of 2009 Football Heroes. This is box number 06. Let's get after it. So far, 3 boxes, and both of our jerseys have been on the bottom row. And I know for the last 2 boxes, it's been in the last 3 packs. And all the autos have been early. It's in the first 12 packs. So here we go. Excuse me. Ooh, we got a Brett Favre. Brett Favre, 27 out of 99. His Jets jersey. All 3 boxes have been exactly the same. 5 parallels, or 5 number cards, 2 autographs, 2 jerseys. Base. Louis Murphy. Steve Young. Thinking there's going to be an autograph in this one. It's going to be Brandon Gibson. Brandon Gibson out of 199, and that's actually 1 of 199. I think I pretty much figured these guys out. You get the autographs early. Anytime you have 7 cards on the top. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, if there's a 6th card, it will always be it'll be the autograph. Sorry. I know I am that smart. If you're going to open so many packs, you should figure it out eventually. It's like Matthew Stafford out of 99, and it is numbered 8 of 99. This one should be an autograph. 4 out of Penn State, Derek Williams. Derek Williams out of 20 out of 199. I'll have to go back and check. I think all we've gotten is rookie autographs so far. Oop. Looks like there might be a plate in this one. And it's gonna be... Ooh, who is that? I think it's super cold though. That is 1 of 1 Bob Greasy yellow printing plate. 1 of 1. So that's pretty cool. Bob Greasy. Yeah, they did say there's supposed to be like 2 or 3 one-of-ones per case. We had to assume that, you know, if not all of them are going to be, you know, one-of-one base, one-of-one printing plates. Can always hope for a one-of-one hit. I don't know if those are extra in the box, but we'll find out. We've already got our 2 autographs. Bob Greasy. But I'm guessing that's an extra. Looks like a base pack. No Campbell, Jack Hand. Oh. We have a Ben Roethlisberger base, 79 out of 99. Steve Young ends up on the back of a lot of these packs, I'll tell you that. Percy Harvin, Keaton Nix. That printing plate was like ice cold. That's crazy. Another ray. Moving right along here. This is another one of those. These ones are really stuck together. Aaron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers, 31 of 35. There's that. I think we still should get one more numbered card. Still looking for our jerseys. Base pack. Michael Crabtree. There's a Johnny Appleseed, numbered 78 out of 99. Nice to get that autographed. Mark Sanchez. Okay, we're down to our last 5 packs. Yep, if they're in here, they're in the last 4 packs again on the bottom row. It's kind of crazy. I didn't think it was that obvious in these boxes. Oh, this is a hit. And it's going to be Brett Favre jersey. Jerseys have been pretty good so far. 41 out of 50. Don Maynard. Hopefully it'll be in the last pack. J. Smith, all base, Jay Cutler, Jack Ham, and the last pack does have a hit. Oh, it looks to be a little dinged up. And it's going to be a Peyton Manning jersey. Peyton Manning, 90 out of 150. Not bad. Not bad on the jerseys. Alright guys, to recap really quick. Peyton Manning jersey, 90 out of 150. Brett Favre, 41 out of 50 jersey. A printing plate yellow 101 Bob Greasy. Derek Williams, 20 out of 199 autograph. And Brandon Gibson, 1 out of 199 autograph. Alright, thanks guys.